Hey friends, it's Kelly, and welcome back to this week's Aldi Finds for the week of July 23rd, 2025. So let's study smarter, clean easier, and check out those kid approved finds. We're going to start with the apparel, shoes, and accessories section. First up, we have the licensed children's character three-piece set. You can choose from Hot Wheels, Marvel, Mini, or Stitch for $11.99. We have the licensed children's character underwear. You can choose from Hello Kitty, Minecraft, Pokemon, Spider-Man, Squishmallow, or Stitch for $7.99. We have the licensed toddler character underwear. You can choose from the boys' Bluey underwear, the girls' Bluey, Princess, Minnie, or Spidey, $7.99. We also have the licensed toddler character slide sandals. You can choose from Marvel, Minnie, Spider-Man, or Stitch for $5.99. We have the licensed children's character slide sandals. You can choose from Ariel, Marvel, Spider-Man, or Stitch, only $5.99. And oh my friends, we have the children's character 8-pack socks, and boy, do we have a ton to choose from. There's 3 different styles of Bluey, there's Minecraft, 2 different styles of Paw Patrol and Princess and Spider-Man, or you can choose from Stitch. $4.99 for an 8-pack. That's a great deal. Now we're heading into the arts and entertainment section. And friends, I'm not sure, we're having a thunderstorm, so I'm not sure if you can hear that noise in the background. But if you do, that's what's going on. First up, we have the Bond fast charging power adapter. It comes in blue, purple, or silver for $7.99. We have the fast charging USB-A to lightning charging cable. Blue, purple, or silver, $7.99. And friends, all these items that I'm showing you come in blue, purple, or silver. So we also have the USB-A to USB-C charging cable, $7.99, and the USB-C to Lightning charging cable, $7.99. And the USB-C to USB-C charging cable is $7.99. I had no idea all this stuff existed. We also had the Bond 2-pack fast charging power bank, 5000 SB. You can choose from blue silver or silver purple, $14.99. And we have the Bond fast charging power bank 20,000 SB, blue, purple, or silver for $14.99. And the last item in this section is the Bond True wireless Bluetooth earbuds. They do come in navy, purple, or white for $9.99. Now we're moving right along into the baby, kids, and toys section. We just have 2 items here. First up is the Disney collectible figures. There is 7 to a pack, and you can choose from Mickey, Minnie, Stitch 1 or Stitch 2 for $8.99. And the other item in this section is the Stitch Squishmallows. There are several different characters to choose from for $11.99. Now we're heading into the electronics section. We just have this one item here, and it is the Bond foldable Bluetooth keyboard. You can choose from black, white, blue, white, purple, silver, or white, purple for $9.99. Now we're heading into the home and decor section. First up, we have the Bond wireless charging clock. It comes in dark wood grain or gray wood grain for $14.99. And we have the Disney character candle. You can choose from Mickey, which has the teakwood and cedar scent, or Minnie, which has the blushed cherry blossom scent for $14.99. We have the Easy Home squatting stool. It comes in gray or white, $9.99. And we have the Kirkton House 20 by 34 memory foam bath mat. It comes in gray border or navy border for $9.99. Now, friends, this one is a little bit tricky here. The title on the ad that I took this from says Kirkton House 20 by 34 memory foam bath mat, which is the exact title from the one I just read you, but it comes in charcoal shag, gray shag, or navy shag for $9.99. And it's not just this size, it's the larger size as well. The title is the same. So I'm thinking, I don't know if it has a memory foam on the back of it or if they just forgot to change the title. I'm not sure, but I did want to bring that to your attention. Next up, we have the Kirkton House 20 by 47 memory foam bath runner, charcoal border, gray border, or navy border, $9.99. And here it is again, friends, like I mentioned, the Kirkton House 20 by 47 memory foam bath runner, but it comes in charcoal shag, gray shag, or navy shag, $9.99. We have the Kirkton House 20 by 39 comfort mat, three different designs to choose from, only $9.99. And we have the Kirkton House 30 by 47 Manhattan doormat. You can choose from Monterey Brown or a pewter, $14.99. And we have the Kirkton House 3 foot by 4 foot printed chair mat. It comes in three different designs, only $19.99. We have the Kirkton House rectangular 5-liter step on trash can. It comes in navy blue, purple, or white, $9.99. And we have the Kirkton House round 5-liter step on trash can, navy blue, purple, or white, $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Soul folding tray table. You can choose black or wood for $14.99. Now we're heading into the home improvement section, and we do have some charging stations, a couple of them. But first, we're going to start with the Ambiano handheld steamer. It comes in black, purple, or white for $12.99. Now we have the Bond outlet and USB charging station, $14.99. We have the Bond swivel charging station, $14.99. And we have the Bond USB port charging station, $14.99. The Bond wall plate charging station, $14.99. And then next up we have the Easy Home Flexi Hamper. You can choose from beige, blue, or white, $4.99. We have the Easy Home Folding Step Stool, blue, gray, or pink, $9.99. We have the Easy Home Hip Hold Laundry Basket. It comes in white with gray handles or white with sage handles, $7.99. We have the Easy Home Spray Mop. It comes in gray or sage, $14.99. The Easy Home Upright Sweep Set. You can choose from floral, lemons, or plaid for $8.99. We have the Easy Home Over the Door Drying Rack. It comes in black or white, $14.99. We have the Globe Squish Nightlight. It comes in several different designs, only $9.99. We have the Joy Laundry Care Dryer Balls. You can get lamb, sloth, or wool, $4.99. We also have the Joy Laundry Lint Brush, $4.99. The Joy Laundry Vent Brush, $4.99. We have the Kirkton House 3-pack mini collapsible crates. It comes in navy, orchid, or vanilla, $9.99. And we have the Kirkton House acrylic wall storage. You can choose from circular, divided rectangular, or rectangular for $14.99. We have the Kirkton House bedside organizer. It comes in three different colors, only $7.99. We have the Kirkton House easel. It comes in black, gray, navy, or purple for $4.99. And friends, these are the perfect size to put your cell phone on to charge them. And the last item in this section is the Kirkton House monitor riser with drawer. You can choose from navy or white for $14.99. Now we're heading into the household items section. We just have three items here. First up, it's the Febreze Air Effects Gain and Moonlight Breeze, only $3.24. And we have the Febreze Fabric Refresher. You can choose from April Fresh or Original, $3.24. We have the Tandle laundry detergent packs with Oxy for $9.99. Now we're heading into the kitchen supply section. First up, we have the Zac 2-pack plates. You can choose from Bluey, Mickey, Princess, or Stitch, $4.99. And we have the matching Zac 2-pack flatware, only $4.99. And the last item in this section is the Zac Character Flex Sip Bottle. You can choose from Bluey, How to Train Your Dragon, Minecraft, Princess, Spider-Man, or Stitch, $7.99. Now we're heading into the outdoor living and garden section. We just have this one item here, and it is the Hydrangea Bouquet for $4.89. Now we're moving right along into the personal care and beauty section. First up, it's the Ambiano Power Toothbrush with refills. You can choose from blue, green, purple, or red for $4.49. We have the Aussie Moist Shampoo or Conditioner, $6.97. We also have the Aussie Total Miracle Shampoo or Conditioner, $6.97. We have the Crest 3D White Toothpaste. You can choose from Arctic Fresh, Deep Clean, or Radiant Mint, $4.97. We also have the Oral-B toothbrush. You can choose from Cross Action or the ProFlex Stain Eraser for $4.97. And the last item in this section is the DentaGuard rechargeable water flosser, $19.99. Now we're heading into the school, office, and art supply section. First up, we have the Pembroke Flip Calendar. You can choose from 3 different designs, only $4.99. We have the Pembroke Undated Planner. You can choose from floral, sun, or tan, $4.99. We also have the Smile pens. You can choose from animals, food, princess, or space for $2.99. And the last item in this section is the Smile highlighters. You can choose from gummy bears, hearts, macaroons, or robots, only $2.99. Now we're moving into the sports and outdoor activities section. We have 2 items here. First up, it's the Easy Home collapsible tub. You can choose from blue or gray, $9.99. And we have the Easy Home collapsible dish drainer, blue or gray, $9.99. And friends, these items are wonderful if you're a camper. Next, we're moving into the travel and automotive section. First up, we have the licensed character backpack. You can choose from Bluey, Minnie, Spidey, and Friends, or Stitch, $14.99. We have the live-in style laptop sleeve. It comes in black, gray, or purple, $7.99. And the last item in this section is the live-in style tech case, and that also comes in black, gray, or purple, $7.99. Now we're heading into the fresh meat and seafood section. We just have this one item here, and it is the St. Louis pork spare ribs for $2.49 a pound. Now we're heading into the bakery section. First up, we have the Love and Fresh mini French toast bagels, $2.29. We also have the specially selected croissant buns, 4 per pack, only $3.99. We have the Bake Shop peanut butter and jelly filled crepes, $3.99. And we have the specially selected filled croissants. You can choose from cream cheese or raspberry, $3.99. And the last item in this section is the 2-bite Oreo mini muffins for $4.99. Now we're moving right along into the dairy and deli section. We just have 2 items here. First up, it is the Barissimo salted caramel mocha coffee creamer for $2.69. And we have the Oikos Pro strawberry shots, 10 grams of protein for $4.58. Now we're heading into the snacks section. First up, we have the Wonder Chocolate Frosted Mini Donuts for $2.49. We have the Benton's Pancake Cookie Thins. You can choose from blueberry or maple for $2.99. We have the Nabisco Family Size 12-pack Belvita. You can choose from blueberry crunchy, golden oat crunchy, or dark chocolate sandwich, $8.29. And we have the Nabisco Ritz Handy Snacks. You can choose from cheese and crackers or Oreo, $6.89. We have Skittle Gummies, original, sour, or wild berry, $2.74. And we have the Clancy's Pretzel Slims. You can choose from garlic parmesan or honey mustard and onion, only $2.19. We have the Lesser Evil Popcorn Snack Pack. There's 8 bags for $4.99. And we have the Utz Cheese Balls for $6.98. And we have the General Mills Nature Valley Baked Bars. You can choose from chocolate turtle sweet and salty or salted caramel for only $2.99. And the last item in this section is the Kind Soft Baked Squares. You can choose from chocolate almond flour brownie, peanut butter almond flour brownie, or the salted caramel almond flour brownie, $7.29. Now we're heading into the breakfast section. First up, we have the General Mills loaded cereal. You can choose from s'mores or chocolate strawberry for $4.25. We have the General Mills Cheerios. You can choose from very berry or frosted lemon. Oh, that's interesting. Limited edition, $4.93. We have the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. You can choose from chocolate milkshake or cookies and cream. I'm sorry, I can hear Benny snoring over there. Just all of a sudden, he just started snoring loud. I'm sorry. $5.29. We also have the Jiffy Pancake Mix for $2.99. And the last item in this section is the Breakfast Best Mini Stuffed Pancakes. Friends, I believe these are in the frozen section, and I debated whether to put it in the breakfast or the frozen section. So I just want to bring it to your attention that this item is in the frozen section. You can get chocolate hazelnut or peanut butter and strawberry, and they're only $3.99. Now we're heading into the pantry section. First up, we have the Peanut Delight flavored peanut butter. You can choose from dark chocolate or honey for $2.49. We have the Benton's cookie butter. You can choose from creamy or crunchy, $3.49. And we have the Duke Squeeze Mayo for $4.44. We have the Hidden Valley Original Ranch Salad Dressing for $3.98. And we have the Chef Wu Chef Ramsay Ramen for $1.79. We have the Nissan Hot and Spicy Beef Ramen, $1.39. We have Annie's Mac and Cheese Cups. You can choose from aged cheddar or white cheddar for $5.98. And the last item in this section is the Ben's Original Ready Rice. There's 3 different flavors to choose from, and they're only $2.29. Now we're heading into the beverage section. We just have this one item here, and it's the Samba Zone Asia Superfruit Juice. You can choose from Original or Energy Blueberry for $2.49. Now we're moving right along into the frozen food section. First up, we have the specially selected mini cakes. You can choose from lemon berry or pineapple upside down cake for $4.69. We have the Sunday Shop strawberries and cream rose cones, only $3.99. We have the Twix ice cream bars. You get 6 bars for $4.97. We have the Kirkwood pepper jack Swiss and bacon stuffed chicken entree. Yum, $3.99. And we have the Tyson Sweet barbecue chicken strips for $7.99. We have the Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen cheesy garlic French bread pizza 6-pack for only $8.49. And we have the Season's Choice mini hash brown patties for $2.99. We have the Bremer mini corn dogs. They're only $6.49, and I believe you get 40 in a pack. And the last item for today, my friends, is the Kirkwood cordon bleu stuffed chicken entree, only $3.99. From Aldi's website, items are available while quantities last. Items are limited and may not be available in all stores. There may be a limit on quantity sold. Prices and labels may vary by location. Aldi is not responsible for printing or typographical errors. Mama Needs a Goal's disclaimer. Mama Needs a Goal is not associated, affiliated, or sponsored by Aldi. I am just a consumer who is sharing her love of Aldi by reposting the Aldi Finds. I am not responsible for printing, voiceover, or typographical errors. So, friends, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that little subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming Aldi finds. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So, friends, thanks so much. I'll catch up with you next week with more great Aldi finds. Bye.